If you're coming to Mussomeli, you'll fly into Palermo Airport. From the airport, it's very easy to take the train. There's a train station in the airport on the bottom floor. You can purchase your ticket to Acquaviva station at the self-service ticket machine, from the staff member in the booth, or on the Trenitalia app. You must validate your ticket before traveling. If you've purchased through the app, you don't need to validate. The total trip is about an hour and a half and costs €14. The train will make a few stops on the way to Palermo Central. The train line dead end stops at Palermo Central. When you exit the train, there's a departure board showing which train is headed to Acquaviva. There's only a few tracks at the terminal, so it's very simple to transfer. The seats are comfortable and there's plenty of space for luggage. When you arrive in Acquaviva, you'll see it's a small station and generally it's not staffed. You need to contact a taxi in advance to be picked up at the station and taken to Mussomeli. It's a 10 to 15 minute drive and costs €20 to €25. The drivers take cash only. In the description is a list of taxi drivers you can contact via WhatsApp. Make sure you have downloaded that app. It's what most people here use for text, calls, and sending photos and documents. Let the taxi service know what date you're arriving and the approximate time you'll need to be picked up. That day, message from the train confirming the time the train is scheduled to arrive. If taking the train's not something you're comfortable with right now, you can hire a car service. I've listed some in the description. The rate is between €120 and €140. If you're having trouble making these arrangements and you're coming to look at homes, you can message the real estate office. In the subject line, write "in need of transportation" with the date you're arriving. In the message, include your flight information and if you're needing a taxi from the train station or car service from the airport. That email address is also listed in the description.